The Power of Will, the show for entrepreneurs. Do you have what it takes to start and run a multi-billion-dollar company? 6 young entrepreneurs struggle to win and claim a valuable prize. Only the most persistent, bravest, and innovative contestant can convince the jury that he has it. The power of will to take his business to the highest level and be successful. The Power of Will is a smart, entertaining reality TV show about challenges of entrepreneurship. During 16 dynamic episodes, entrepreneurs, beginners perform tasks that simulate the real-life business challenges. 3 mentors are there to advise and help contestants. The specialty of this format is its uniqueness. There is no other show that has this number and diversity of challenges that cover all aspects of entrepreneurship. The contestants test their intelligence, speed, decision-making, and bravery through these tasks. Presenting projects to investors and business partners. Design and marketing. Financial analysis in a quiz form. Humanitarian sale. Auctions. Video shooting. Managing in unprecedented conditions, merchandise buying and selling. Through this tense and extremely dynamic situation, TV viewers are entertained watching funny situations and unpredictable twists. Identify with contestants through the whole range of emotions, from tears to laughs. Learn much about entrepreneurship in general. See how much strength and power of will it takes to run a business project. The Power of Will ran on the Croatian national TV, HTV, harvesting positive critics and inspiring a lot of debates in all of media. Digimark is an internationally acclaimed production company, branded the highest rated business in educational entertainment and documentary. At the Regional Entrepreneurial Summit, the Best 300, we have received the Inventors for Centuries Award for our TV work. Our latest TV show, The Power of Will, gained a special mention during the award ceremony.